The easiest, healthiest 3-ingredient snack you'll ever make. No oven required. Use a very ripe banana, one with plenty of brown spots. This adds significant sweetness and helps bind the ingredients together. I will provide important tips throughout the recipe process. And make sure to mash it until it's super smooth, no big chunks allowed. The recipe calls for just 6 tablespoons of smooth mashed banana. Add 1 cup quick oats. Quick oats are the ideal choice for this no-bake recipe because they act as a superior binder. Their ability to absorb moisture from the banana and other ingredients helps the cookie dough hold its shape and set up more quickly. While rolled oats can be used, they absorb less moisture than quick oats, resulting in a looser dough or a longer setting time when combined with mashed bananas for no-bake cookies. Make sure to mix the oats and the smooth mashed banana well. 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter. What's your favorite add-in for banana cookies? Chocolate chips, walnuts, or something else? Drop your ideas in the comments. Incorporating peanut butter into the oats makes the mixture more satisfying and less bland. You want to mix this until everything is fully combined and it starts to look like a thick, slightly sticky cookie dough. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Use a tablespoon or a 1/8 measuring cup to scoop the dough. Roll each scoop into a bowl, then gently flatten into a cookie shape. Place the cookies on a baking tray that is lightly greased or lined with parchment paper. The 1/8 measuring cup yields 9 perfect no-bake cookies. A tablespoon, however, can be used to make smaller cookies. Leave the cookies sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. If you're in a hurry, place the tray in the freezer for 15 minutes until firm. This is essential to firm them up so they aren't sticky when you grab them. They're soft, chewy, and naturally sweet, perfect for a quick snack, breakfast, or healthy dessert. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next video.